Hello class, my name is Fabian Hance, and today I will be speaking to you about intervertebral discs. Now, intervertebral discs are made up of annulus fibrosus and nucleus pulposus. The annulus fibrosus itself is a strong radial tire-like structure that is made up of lamellae and concentric sheets of collagen fibers that are connected to vertebral end plates. Now, intervertebral discs act as shock absorbers, so to speak, for the body, for the spine. Now, for example, just like cars have shock absorbers and they hit a pothole, those shock absorbers absorb that impact. Just like if I were to jump off a platform without shoes, I would feel it a lot more on my feet and on my body and back than if I were to have the proper shoes on. Now, the intervertebral disc is located in between each spinal column, and in total there are 24 discs in the human spine. They also serve to protect the nerves that run down the middle of the spine and to decrease impact or pressure on the spine. Now, common injuries that happen for everyday people, especially athletes like myself, are things such as fractures and dislocation of the cervical and ruptures of the lumbar. Me, myself, I've never had a ruptured lumbar, but I know I've had a lot of pain in that area because as a baseball player, as an athlete, college athlete, and professional athlete, I have to lift a lot and I exert a lot of energy out of my body and force out of my body, whereas sometimes I make these not inappropriate movements, but movements that are just so rapid and quick that sometimes I get hurt. It happens to us. It happens to everyday people, even because you yourself can be lifting a heavy box and you'll feel a pain. You yourself can sleep bad or make a rapid movement with your neck and there's a dislocation or a fracture of your cervical. The reason why it's so easy in your cervical is because it's such a small body, it's such a small area, it's very easy for it to get hurt. Now your lumbar is in a lot bigger area of your body, and it supports a lot of the weight in your body and your upper torso as well. So imagine I weigh 220 pounds, and if I'm squatting 315 pounds, that's a lot of weight that my lumbar has to hold up and support. Now, the intervertebral disc would look something like this. As you can see, the annulus fibrosus is sort of like a tire, so to speak, and there is the nucleus pulposus. Now, 5% of the lower back herniations involve the L3 or the L4 segments, which is the lumbar. This pain will occur through the anterior thigh, as well as the medial part of the knee and the shin. Towards the end of athletes' careers, or even just college athletes in general, they feel a lot of pain throughout their back or knees because the season of sport itself takes a lot of the toll on their bodies, which is why they have to rest and prepare so well and so much. And they have a lot of post-game or post-season routines in order to rest their bodies and get back to 100%. My name is Fabian Hance again. I hope you learned a lot in this video. Thank you for watching.